Today I am reviewing the PuroAir 400 HEPA Air Purifiers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful air purification system that can handle large spaces and significantly improve indoor air quality, the PuroAir 400 HEPA Air Purifiers are designed to deliver exactly that. This is a dual-pack system built for whole home coverage, making it especially useful for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and larger shared spaces. Let's start with the main strength of this product: air cleaning performance. The PuroAir 400 is designed to cover areas up to around 2,000 square feet, which is impressive for a home air purifier. With 2 units included in this package, you could distribute clean air across multiple rooms or focus on large open spaces, depending on your setup. At the core of its performance is a HEPA filtration system capable of filtering up to 99.9% of airborne pollutants. This includes common indoor irritants such as dust, pollen, smoke particles, pet dander, and even volatile organic compounds, often referred to as VOCs. These are the types of pollutants that can affect breathing comfort, trigger allergies, and reduce overall air quality in your home. In everyday use, this means you are continuously breathing cleaner and healthier air. For people with allergies, asthma, or sensitivity to dust and smoke, this can make a noticeable difference in comfort, especially in enclosed environments like bedrooms or small apartments. One of the standout benefits of the PuroAir 400 is its ability to operate quietly. Many high-powered air purifiers tend to become noisy at higher fan speeds, but this model is designed to maintain a quieter performance level. This makes it suitable for overnight use in bedrooms without disturbing sleep. You can leave it running continuously and still maintain a peaceful environment. Now, because this is a dual-pack system, it provides flexibility in how you use it. You can place one unit in your bedroom and another in your living room, or position both in a larger space for faster air circulation. This makes it more versatile than single-unit purifiers, especially in homes where air quality varies between rooms. Another important aspect is ease of use. The PuroAir 400 is designed to be simple and straightforward. There are no complicated setups or advanced configurations required. You essentially plug it in, turn it on, and let it work. This makes it ideal for users who want effective air purification without dealing with complex smart features or app setups. From a design perspective, it follows a clean and minimal look that blends easily into most home environments. It doesn't draw attention, which is often preferred for devices that run continuously in living spaces. A key point that adds confidence to this product is the brand's warranty and customer support. PuroAir offers a 2-year risk-free warranty, which shows a level of trust in the product's durability and performance. The company also highlights that over 900,000 families trust their air purifiers, which indicates widespread usage and acceptance. This is especially important for long-term use because air purifiers are not just one-time devices. They are appliances you rely on daily. Having strong warranty support and customer service adds peace of mind, especially if you're investing in multiple units like this 2-pack. Now, in terms of real-world results, the improvement in air quality can often be noticed within days of consistent use. Rooms tend to feel fresher, odors are reduced, and airborne dust becomes less noticeable over time. While results can vary depending on environment and pollution levels, consistent filtration plays a major role in maintaining healthier indoor air. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Like all HEPA air purifiers, filter maintenance and replacement will be required over time. The effectiveness of the system depends on regular use and proper placement within your home. Also, since this model focuses on strong purification rather than smart features, it does not include advanced app control or Wi-Fi connectivity. However, that simplicity is also part of its appeal. It focuses on what matters most: clean air, strong filtration, and reliable performance. Overall, the PuroAir 400 HEPA Air Purifier 2-pack is a strong solution for households that want serious air cleaning power without unnecessary complexity. It is especially well suited for families, pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone living in environments with dust, smoke, or seasonal pollen issues. If your goal is to improve indoor air quality across multiple rooms with a reliable and easy-to-use system, This dual air purifier setup offers excellent value and performance.